Hi Dream Homers! Welcome to our new house tour here in Antipolo, Rizal. If you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on property videos. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So tara, samahan nyo ako sa tripping ko. So as you can see, no, kanina, it's a 3-unit of single house. All units are available pa. And details ng house is meron itong lot area na 180 square meter and floor area of 360 square meter. So as you can see, nandito tayo sa lower ground, which is kasya po dito ang 3 cars. And itong room na to, this will be your helper's room. Ayan, kasya dito ang bunk bed. Spacious siya, no? Compare natin sa mga madalas nating nakikita ng mga room ng helpers. And of course, meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, very convenient na sa part ng helpers nyo. So, ayan. Covered na rin ang inyong car garage. And of course, this will be your stairs going to the main door of your house. So, dito pa lang makikita nyo na, no, may view na kayo ng greeneries. So, look at the facade of your house. Okay, so, dito pag akyat natin, you will have your view again. And of course, this will be your porch area or your foyer. Of course, yung door na ito, no, this will be your storage room. And this will be your main door. It's a massive door, which is digital na rin siya. Okay? Yan. So, welcome to your dream home. So, you have a spacious of your first floor. This will be your living area. It's an open concept. And of course, you have a balcony here. Okay, so dito pa lang sa balcony, spacious siya, no? Pwede kayong mag-set up ng inyong coffee table or maglagay ng plants. And of course, covered na rin siya to protect yung mga furnitures na ilalagay nyo sa balcony. And of course, sige, pasok lang tayo. And this area will be your dining area, which you can set up at least 8 to 10 seaters of dining table. Kasyang-kasya ito. And high ceiling na rin, no? Yung height ng from floor to ceiling. And this will be your kitchen area. Everyone loves kitchen, no? Isa ito sa heart of your house. So, this will be your kitchen area. As you can see, no? Very high-end yung finish and quality ng mga furnitures na ginamit dito. And you have a sliding door here that can be your access going to your service area. Okay? So, ayan, malawak yung inyong service area. So, makikita nyo dito, itong stairs na to, ito yung stairs sa car garage kanina, which you can have your access. So, very functional yung kanyang design. Okay? Okay, this door, access going to your kitchen. Okay? So, that's it. Andun na yung inyong laundry area. So, dito sa inyong first floor, you have your powder room. And of course, check na natin ang inyong second floor. So, Dream Homers, dito sa second floor, meron kayo dito 3 rooms. So, check muna natin yung first room. Of course, kasama na itong cabinet. So, this will be your space. Meron na kayong mga windows. Kasya dito yung double size of bed. And this door will be your common toilet and bath for the 2 rooms. Ayan, may shower enclosure na. And your second room, same size lang siya nung unang room, no? Kasama na rin ang inyong cabinet. You have a lot of transom windows and a horizontal windows para makapasok yung natural light, no? And of course, energy saver na rin yung dream rooms. So, this area will be your family hall, okay? Pwede kayong mag-set up dito ng TV and a small sofa. And meron din kayo dito ample space for your balcony para makasagap kayo ng sariwang hangin, and sayang kasi yung view dito sa second floor. So, napakaganda ng community nitong property na ito. So, that's it. High ceiling na rin siya from your wall. And, of course, this will be your master bedroom. Meron ka ng sariling balcony. You have your own cabinet. And this space, kasya dito ang king size of bed. And you have a lot of vertical windows as well and transom windows. Itong door na to, this will be your own toilet and bath, which is may shower enclosure na rin siya, your own toilet and sink, and of course your exhaust fan. Okay, so tara check natin itong master balcony, which have a bigger space for your balcony. So, dream homers, if you think this property fits for your need, you can contact us through my contact number. It's flashed on the description box. And we're very happy to assist you finding your dream homes. Bye, and God bless you all.